Hey there everybody, so I'm on Lake Winnipesaukee, which has a Spar buoy system. You can see one right behind me right here. And what I want to do is show you how to use your compass if by chance your chart, which you absolutely should have on your boat, let's say blows out of the boat and you don't have a GPS, or the GPS crapped out and the chart blew off the boat. You can use your compass so that you don't end up in the rocks or any place you shouldn't be. And so let me show you how this works. Okay, so here I am drifting pretty much right up to this red over white spar buoy, and if you look over there, right there, you'll see there's a black over white with a companion lit marker. And if they were solid colors, if they were solid red and solid black, that means to go in between, but they're not. So this one here, red over white, means I need to be to the south or the west of this buoy. I can remember it by thinking the red hot southwest, stay to the south or the west. So if I look at my compass, and here is my compass, right here, right, if you look at this indicator, and you would actually line these up if you were to be like this, look down this way, right? That's how you would know what direction you're actually facing, magnetically, of course. So we are facing right now northeast. And so, okay, north is over here, south is over here, right? So there's my buoy. I need to be south or west of the buoy, all right? So, well, west is literally, I'm west of the buoy, right? Because west is over here and east is this way. So I know that I'm actually in a safe position relative to that buoy, right? And I could be south of it. So if I were just back a little bit, for demonstration purposes, I will back up south of the buoy. Right, there it is. All right. Whoa, pay attention. Boat turning. All right, so now if you look, say I am south. There's the buoy. So I am south, and actually I'm also west of the buoy. Now that black one, that black and white one over there, let me get a little closer. So that one means I need to be to the north or the east. Let me get over there a little bit quicker so I can show you what it looks like on the compass. All right, I've changed the orientation of the boat so that we're on a different side of this black over white buoy. Now, how do we know we're on the correct side of it? And how do we know which way is safe to proceed? So refer to compass. And are we then east of the buoy? Well, the buoy's over there, and east is to the left to port. So we're definitely to the east. And north is in this direction, right? So if we were to turn the boat around almost 180 degrees, because we're facing more southward, right? So are we north of it? Well, it's there. That means it's, so if you were to place your, you know, let's say my finger is the imaginary marker, it's over there. So there's the buoy, right? So it's over here in relationship to my compass. I am north and most definitely eastward of that buoy. Now, if the buoy were over here, then that would completely change things. That would mean that we were south or west of that buoy. Okay, so there are actually 3 different buoys here. There's one over there too. So these are marking a hazard that's between all 3. What we've learned so far is that that red and white one over there and this one over here are telling me I should not be in between those 2 markers, because the red one is telling me to be way over there on that side of it. The black and white one is telling me I need to be on that side of it. So it's literally saying do not go between. And then this one over here is, of course, also marking a hazard. This is a red over white. And so this marker is also saying to stay to the south or to the west of that marker. And so I am underway, and right here you say I am actually southward. I'm not south of the buoy, because the buoy's, I'm north of the buoy, but I am directions. Here's west, here's east. So this one is saying I need to be to the south or the west of that marker. So am I on the wrong side of the marker? I am north and east of that marker. So yeah, I probably shouldn't be here, but actually, when you look at it in relationship to the black and white over there, right, it's north, it's stay south or west, not southwest, right? So it's actually marking a hazard that's between this buoy and that one over there. So this red one and that black one are saying don't go in between us. And the same with that red over white one and that one there saying don't go in between. So between these three markers right here, they're saying there's some stuff in between us, stay away. And so that's how you figure that out with your compass without actually having a chart to say that there's rocks there. And guess what? There are rocks there. So even though, like, when you look, well now, because the buoy's over here, just in case you're getting confused, right? That marker is a little bit behind me. And so if I look at my compass, right, essentially that marker is over here, right where my finger is. All right, am I south or west of the compass? I mean, of the compass. Am I south or west of the buoy? Well, I'm westward. I'm actually kind of northwest. So not too bad, right? I'm definitely not south of the buoy. I'd have to actually move more that way. There's the buoy right there. I'd have to move further off in that direction. Okay, so cruised over to a different part of the lake here to show you what the channel markers look like, which are solid red and solid black. So let me slow down here. They're a little bit apart. So if you look over there, right, there is a solid red, there it is, a solid red buoy. It has a companion buoy there, which is actually marking this as a no wake zone. Same over here. So this is solid black. And so when you have two solids like that, black and red, you go in between black and red. And so this channel is leading us to go under the bridge. And I don't know if you could see, just past that boat over there, there are two more. There's one over there and one over there to the left and to the right. And so those markers are saying, hey, this is the way you need to go. You go in between. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know the basics on a spar buoy system, whether it is the big lake here in New Hampshire or on your body of water, wherever you may be. So I am going to continue on down this channel here through the bridge and enjoy the rest of my day. Hope you do the same. Take care.